probably know that if you type in Excel Monday, Tuesday, and select that range, Excel knows you want to repeat the days of the week. And you probably know if you type the months of the year, Excel will basically fill in the rest for you. And if you start, let's say, with August 1st, 2017, September 1st, 2017, and select those two cells, Excel will keep going forward 1 month. I'll double click to widen the column. But what if you want to create your own custom list, let's say a list of U.S. cities, so that you start, let's say, with L.A., and if you drag it down, then some remaining U.S. cities will appear and repeat if you desire. So let's suppose your list is L.A. It would be, let's say, New York City, Chicago, Houston, Boston, and let's say Denver. Okay. So now how would you create that list? Well, it's outlined right here. File, tab, and then you'd say options, then advanced, edit, custom list. Then you would select add, and then you choose the list, choose import, and hit OK, and then you're done. And you can delete the list if you want. So file tab, options, advanced. Got to go down to the bottom here, pretty close. Edit custom lists. Okay, so here's the key thing. So we can click add, and I can pick out my list. There's my list. Okay, import. Now let's see the list is there. I can delete it if I want, but if I click OK again, and then if I would go LA, and if I just drag that down, see it goes LA, New York City, and repeats LA. Now you might say, what do you do if you want to just drag down LA? Well, you just drag down LA twice and copy that, and you'll get lots of LAs if that's what you want. So I think that's a pretty cool trick.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.